Now is the time to commence the passing of the torch, because there's a new hero in town. This is the unboxing and setup of the GoPro Hero 11 Black Edition. Good afternoon everybody, welcome back to another unboxing video. We have the GoPro Hero 11 Black Edition. First things first, let's take a look around the box. My first impression with this was, wow, they killed it on the design front. Here's a look at the bottom of the box. This is what's included in the kit. They even included the carrying case for it. And of course, we can't forget about the included features, featuring the new Hypersmooth 5.0 technology. Now, without further ado, let's bust it right open. So first things first, we have to do a firmware update. There's a quick start guide. The most important thing of them all is the Hero 11 Black itself. This is the new and improved GoPro Enduro battery for the 11th generation cameras. Just in case you didn't see on the packaging before, you have to update the camera first. So of course, as seen on all previous models, you have the power button, which is also the mode selector, and the toggle switch up top to take photos, start taking videos. Looks like we've got a microphone up here, got a microphone down here, microphone drain. And I just discovered this, guys. These two prongs flip out to fit all native GoPro mounts. So I like that GoPro stuck with their roots on this one. For some reason, and I don't know if this is just me, but I personally have a hard time opening this battery case. I believe you have to pull down and then it latches out just like that. This is where you put the Enduro battery and the micro SD card. This did come with a free 32 gigabyte. It's time to power on the camera for the first time. So this is what we see on the front. And we get a loading screen on the back. Of course, we're always going to agree on the terms of use. We have GPS on this model, which is awesome. And then it's telling us to install the GoPro Quick app, which I already have, and we're going to go through this installation process. So the first question it's going to ask right before the screen is, do you own a GoPro? You say yes. You go to set up your GoPro now, say yes, and it says we found your GoPro. Connect the camera. Go to pair, of course. And just like that, you'll get a couple confirmation beeps. Okay, so with the camera paired, go ahead and save the name for it. New name is saved. And of course, we need to connect to the camera's Wi-Fi from my phone. And then we should be doing a firmware update over the camera's Wi-Fi connection. This is what the backside LCD screen looks like when it's all updated. Gives you a nice compact dashboard with plenty of options to select from. And here's a look at the front. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into the film now. So it has now been 2 days using the GoPro Hero 11 Black Edition. I will say I am very impressed. The difference between the 3 Plus and the 11 is night and day. However, there are some caveats to this. The clips I provided were recorded from the GoPro Hero 11 completely unedited, and as you guys can possibly see, the colors are lacking some vibrance and there's not very much sharpening, especially when recording in 2.7K at 240 FPS and then upscaling it to 4K. There is a lot of blur in the image. One thing I hope to see in the future GoPro update is 4K 240 support. Thanks everyone so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and donate if you feel like it. 100% of the donations will go right back into the channel. Take care and see you all for the next video.